right, guys. I'm injecting it. All right. We got some Cajun injection with butter. We're gonna season it up real good. You got some more seasoning, sir? Spicy, y'all. Spicy. Mm. Look at that there. Yes, yeah.
The tree, if it go off, ain't nobody can go, it's the tree.
Seasoned it real good, guys. I'm gonna deep fry this sucker. We're gonna put it in there. Ooh, yes. Look at that. Mm. Ooh. Oh yeah, guys. We're gonna tie it up, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, yes, yes. Oh yes. Ooh-wee. All right. I done seasoned it. I done injected it. I'm gonna let it sit. I'm gonna go out here, get my grease ready. It's hot here, y'all. The oven on, we cooking. Take a look at it. Ooh-wee. That's gonna be good, I hope. We're gonna see what happens when I put it in the fire. Turkey deep fried going down. Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Peas. All right, guys. Here we go. We finna see what happens.
You away from him today. Hey.
What's up? All
How
right.
you doing? You can drop this turkey in here.
You frying the turkey.
What's up now?
You cooking that turkey? Ah,
It's almost a golden.
okay, it's going down. Man.
The turkey ain't all the way down in there. Is the basket all the way in there? That's the legs.
Huh?
Is it the legs or the what? Well, we'll see in a minute.
Yeah.
All right, we'll be back.
That's good.
Long, it be a
All
long
right,
fight.
all right, Jeff. Blessings to you and my prayers.
Oh, y'all take this.
Take it easy, Jeff.
Hey, a little bit.
It ain't no picture.
China, y'all take a picture. You
Oh, it's a video? Oh, well, granddad took it.
you press it so you can. I see. Okay, I see.
Let's see what it looks like. It's gonna be crispy.
All right, y'all. Here we go.
Ooh-wee.
Y'all better ask somebody.
Good. That look good. That look good. Oh, sure.
Watch out, y'all better ask somebody, Mom.
He did it. He did it. Okay. Okay. All right. Look at y'all said what?
He want the breast. He want the breast on that bun.
Oh,
Y'all
yeah.
want the
Oh,
bread?
yeah, that's good.
Look at that sucker there.
That's good.
That's good.
Let's go try and carve this up. We can eat now, y'all. Casa. Booyah. Peace.
He dropped the song. Already? See about 2 or 3 songs.
That's gonna be a pair. She only knows 25.
How many songs?
Shayna.
Yeah.
I didn't see no live.
Is it doing?
I don't know if we was a cooking turkey. How many songs are
Woo, turkey going down in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Keisha, can you put that on that table? The ham? The ham? Yeah, put it up there. Sit that up there. Put this over there.
That look good. That look good.
Saying grace, Mama, or you ain't old enough here?
Steve, hand me that clip. That cut.
What you need?
That cut.
Oh, this a real cut board right here. Got a little umph to it. You got some room here. That's a serious turkey.
Nice and crunchy.
Yeah.
Woo!
How long did it take?
45 minutes?
45 minutes.
Wow.
45 minutes. Look at here, look at here.
You putting this on y'all channel, I'll be subscribed to y'all. Making me order all kind of food looking at y'all eat. It's still tender on the inside? Oh, there you go.
Daddy talking about, he was talking about we working to get his taxes. And then I told him he better keep adding that money in there. And so we can get that money as three of us. He told me, you better hope they don't tell me how long I got to live. He said, because I'm spending it. That's like, ooh, look at that smoke. Look at the smoke.
So burn your lip. Or cool it down. She gonna make a sandwich tomorrow.
Exactly. Yeah, it was good.
Good.
Okay.